Today we will be making the St. Patty's Day flower arrangement, and you'll be using carnations. They're the only flower. If you have flower paint at home, and you can get this at any hobby store most likely, but we're going to use green ones. So I actually colored these with a dark green here, and then we're just going to use white carnations. So you will need to use 2/3 of a brick foam, so actually 2 pieces. One, do not cut. It's actually going to go in the middle like this, except you're going to wet them first. And the other one, you're going to cut off pieces, okay, to go in between. So you should be able to cut in half and then cut the half again, and then you should have enough pieces to go in between for this big pot. So this is the pot that we're using. Basically our leprechaun's pot of gold. Okay, so I'm gonna get this wet and I'll be right back. Okay, so you might need to like take the foam once you have got it in the water and then kind of smush it in there so it fits a little bit better. And it's okay if it's not perfect. Okay. All right, so the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to start out with your white carnations, and you want your white carnations to go in 2 rows, kind of like we did the puppy dog arrangement. So go across this way or this way, whichever way. It's the same basically. One thing to remember is you might want to shape the nodes if you're getting lower, but mine's actually just peeking right above the rim. And when I add another one underneath here, you won't be able to see this because the next one is going to hang over just a little bit. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Okay, so it's in the middle basically. And now I'm going to put 2 more right here to cover up this area, and then 2 right here to cover up this area. Okay, and here it is. So when you're putting the ones on the edge, you're going to need to put them in a little bit at an angle. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so next you're just going to fill in these spaces with your green carnations.